Anyway, I just bought Daniel Dillon glasses, lens 001, and yeah, I'm just trying out some out there, the physical one, which are similar to his, and see if it suits me. But she said it doesn't suit me, but I already bought it, so.
Come back Singapore and eat bread.
Yes, more bread. Anyway, I got some time, you know, a little bit of extra time today, so we are going for some movie, Brave New World, Captain America. So no, it's black already. Ouch. By the way, the movie was great, and now we're going for 9 to 10 km run. What a beautiful park to be running at. Just look at the view, guys. Look at the view, guys.
Having a bit of a backlog because of the switch of time zones, so waiting for the team now. They should of walking through China, and also how the people look at you and how the people interact.
Reference အနေနဲ့ပဲပို့ပေးလိုက်မယ်သလားဒီ client နဲ့တော်တော်တိုင်ပတ်တယ် Alright, probably gonna end the vlog here. It is rather a short vlog, but yeah, today I just took the time to rest up. Even though I say rest, I was actually replying a lot of messages and doing some editing as well. But this is more like a chill day for me, and yeah, I get to think through, I get to watch a lot of YouTube videos, get some inspiration. So yeah, happy about today. So that is that, and tomorrow is gonna be another shoot at Singapore Recreational Club. So yeah, excited. I'll bring you guys along, and then yeah, we will be documenting, and I have another deal to settle, another pitch regarding brewery site where, you know, I don't have to be physically there, but I can still use my knowledge and my experience to, you know, work on some deals. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to a few entrepreneurs, business owner who are interested with a lot of money. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to them and see what they think about this idea, and see if they want to, you know, start working together. So yeah, gonna be a really exciting day for me tomorrow. So yeah, bring you guys along. Alright, so we are currently in SRC shooting a marketing. Apparently he can hear me from that booth, so I had to stop vlogging. Honda yoga le lan wa da chi da. So just now we just shoot at SRC, and yeah, coming back I'm like soaking wet right now, but yeah, feeling cold, but I still need to, you know, push out some plans, like, you know, the whole marketing plan out for someone. So yeah, I'm just finishing that before I head home. I wanted to go and visit one of our client today, but it is just way too far, and like it's very inconvenient for me to go all the way there just to do a few simple stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna head home because I'm just feeling super cold, and then, like I said, it's all wet. Anyway, this is something that I feel like, what I do and what we do at Restivco. We try to be more engaging with our customer. With our clients, we try to be more, you know we give the human touch, right? Every time we will visit there, just to check out the crowd, just to see how they're doing. And every time we go there, we see like what other ideas we have, what kind of like content we can push out, in terms of stories, in terms of like reels. So yeah, this is something that I think we do, and this is something that has worked for us. So yeah, but unfortunately today I really we'll see how after I finish this marketing plan. Yeah, see whether I will still head down there, but it's just pouring rain out here in Singapore. So yeah, and it's quite inconvenient to get there. So let's get back to work. Cooking up some dinner, and then yeah, more work to do later. So whoever told you to quit your job, quit your 9 to 5 and pursue your dream, think twice before you do that. Anyway, it's all fun, as long as you love what you're doing. I think it's worth a try, especially when you're young. So yeah, anyway, I got a few gifts today. I thought this was a cup noodle, but it's not. It's actually underwear. This is from Marcus. It's a pretty weird looking underwear, but I'll probably rock these. I mean, I have some weird looking underwear as well, so yeah, I love it. And I just got a notebook, and I got another one. This looks something like this. Oopsie. Oh, this is a very terrible unboxing video. There you go. It's a notebook. Yeah, probably keep that in the closet for now until I finish my own notebook. If not, the notes will be everywhere. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna set up the desk and then start working, because there's a lot to do tomorrow. So basically tomorrow we have 2 shoots for this financial advisor. They pay well. They are very very good when it comes to working. They're very, what's the word, they're very detailed and very precise, they're very smart. So I love working with them. We've been working with 2 different financial consultants, and yeah, we are gonna be creating content for them. Hopefully, it's a long-term partnership where we can do our work and they can make more money, which they are already doing it. That's the most, I think, one of the most highest paying jobs here in Singapore, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, just don't go through that. I mean, if you love it, go ahead, but yeah, just do what you love. Anyway, can't wait for tomorrow, but I've got a shit ton of things to prepare for that shoot. So yeah, let's get to work. basically I've lost all my drone footages and I need to uncoat every single file. Ugh. What a day, guys. OMG, guys. Anyways, like 1 a.m. And I'm not done with the drone footages. The good news is I can recover the files. So yeah, the bad news is it's gonna take me a while. So I think I'm just gonna continue that tomorrow when I have time, because yeah, in about 5 hours I need to wake up, I need to prepare for the shoot. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some sleep for today. Anyway, that is it for this vlog today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.